Hi, this is Luke for Production Experts, and these are the new features in Sonnox Oxford Drum Gate 2 that could make it better than your old drum gate. Oxford Drum Gate 2 has the brand new time, polarity and phase alignment functionality. And as soon as I bring in all of my instances, you can really hear everything come together, especially my snare drum in the entire drum kit mix. So, night and day there. It's rotated the phase on my kick drum and to an extent the second tom. But the thing it's picked up on straight away is a potential absolute polarity inversion, maybe from cabling or an interface or console button that's been left in by accident. Getting this to work is so easy. All I have to do is have instances of Oxford Drum Gate 2 across all of my drum tracks, including my overheads here, except these are set to alignment only. So let's analyse again. And looks like I have a similar result. And handily I can hold to bypass just to make quick comparisons with my unprocessed audio if I need to. In Oxford Drum Gate 2, I also get the brand new adaptive decay functionality. Now this essentially adjusts for different velocity hits. Now quieter hits usually get gated out more easily because they're that much bit further below the threshold. But Oxford Drum Gate 2 can completely fix that. So I get the same decay regardless of the velocity of the hits, so that's really useful. I get standard behaviour as well for version 1 style softer gating, but with adaptive, not only do I get this velocity behaviour, but I also get the HF damping control as well. Now this progressively shortens decay in the higher end, independent of any other decay controls. But the thing that's really impressive here is I've got this cymbal spill underneath my tom, but Oxford Drum Gate 2 is actually getting rid of that from underneath the wanted signal, which is very impressive. This is without and with. Very impressive indeed. And in addition to the leveler, I also get the hit clipper in Oxford Drum Gate 2. I need to enable the entire section, however I can dial out any levelling if I want to maintain my original dynamic range. And so with these 4 different velocities, I can run around those and determine which are loud hits and which are soft hits, so I can just place this around about here. And then I have the option to clip my louder hits, and you can see that kind of white fade going on there. And I can have clean soft hits if I want, or clip those. So you can hear that folding over, and you can see it as well. And I can maybe dial in a bit down here as well. So a great way to get a more saturated sound, as well as more consistent hits in a kind of organic way that you might not be able to achieve using something else. And when I bring all of my instances in together, with a little help, and usually from Voca, which does sound great on drums, I get drums that are not only free of spill, but also great sounding as well. So those are the new features in Oxford Drum Gate 2 from Sonnox. The original intelligence drum gate, not only with better control, but with improved sounds as well. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production experts blog.